Number three is it's really the financial piece. Okay, this comes down to really understanding the fundamentals of your business, from really doing the right budgeting to understanding if you need to raise money, which most of you will, because if you're at a small scale and you want to go to the next scale, you're going to need an injection of capital for your business, and how to raise money for your business. A lot of times, no matter how big your business gets, right? And I just want to put this comparison and present this to you guys so you understand that you're just at a certain scale, and the principles of this are not unique to you just because your business is at a small scale. Large companies, and if you guys have heard the podcast that I did with Arm, who's a close friend of mine and also has a business that has a deal with Whole Foods, right? Big company. These businesses, even as they get to larger scales, still need injections of capital to get to that next scale, because you're going to need more infrastructure. You're going to need things to be able to, whether it's investment in equipment, a new building, right? There are all kinds of things that come up that even if your business is going well and you're profitable and you're making money, but to get to another phase of development, there's always capital injections in 90% of situations that are needed to get you to that next level.